Respect is one of the most important aspects of a relationship, whether it be one with your self-identity or with other people. Treating people with respect means valuing their feelings and views, and showing consideration for their abilities and worth. If you often feel like you're being used, taken advantage of, ignored, or taken less seriously, you may have been feeling devoid of respect from other people. Do you wish there were ways to make yourself seem deserving of respect from other people? If you answered yes, read on for some psychological tricks to command respect instantly. Dress to impress. To each person you meet, the first impression is almost always the first indicator of your likability. While your natural looks are out of your control, the way you dress isn't, which can give you opportunities to change others' first impressions of you. Clothes can be a confidence booster and a manner of self-expression that can help you command respect. While most make the mistake of dressing to blend in with others to avoid being judged, you should dress in a way that makes you feel your best and stand out with your personal charm. This may include choosing a style that makes you stand out, wearing clothes that accentuate the beauty of your body type, and dressing in a way that makes you feel more self-confident. Upping your first impression is one of the easier ways to gain respect. Prolong your eye contact. Are you one to look everywhere but in the eyes of someone that you're talking to? Holding your gaze when you meet another person's eyes is a key way to convey a feeling of mutual respect. It can strengthen communication and even make you seem more genuine and of importance. Eye contact can help you be taken more seriously and make your words seem more memorable. The next time you talk with somebody, try meeting their eyes as they speak. You might feel an increased sense of closeness that will command yourself some respect. Don't be afraid to confront your weaknesses. To command respect, you might think that you need to hide any signs of your weakness or flaws as much as possible and put on a facade. After all, what else can make you seem less worthy of respect and praise than making a mistake? But the reality is often quite the opposite. Oftentimes, overconfidence and overcompensation can lead to others sensing that you are hiding something or being disingenuous. People do not necessarily care about your mistakes or shortcomings. We are all human. Rather, they may judge you based on how you accept and deal with your mistakes, and your ability to be vulnerable. You can show confidence and attain respect by sharing and confronting your flaws genuinely. Give frequent, genuine compliments. When you see others succeed, it's incredibly easy to get jealous, whether it be a friend or an enemy. You might feel like you can find a reason to justify tearing down or undermining the success of others. Still, you'd still look envious and self-absorbed, which are ways that can make you lose the respect of others. Respecting and complimenting others can draw respect to yourself, as it signals to others your authenticity and kindness. A single compliment can mean a lot to some people, and they will often remember your support and return the respect you had given them in the future. Just giving a sincere congratulations might just go a long way. Respond, not react. Everybody has a strong feeling or reaction to certain topics or situations. Do you tend to react instinctively or emotionally to things, whether it be good or bad? Those with high emotional control, maintaining personal composure during times of stress or excitement, are often more respected and likable. This is not to say that to be respected, you should suppress your emotions, but rather, you should think about which emotions would be appropriate to express in certain situations. To better be in touch with your emotions and control your reactivity, you may want to ask yourself, am I ready to deal with the unexpected? Or, will showing emotions in this situation help me attain an objective?